Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we've got a 2019 Nissan Rogue, and on this Nissan Rogue I'm going to go over how you would replace the rear backup camera. So to start with, you would need to open the hatch. This plastic molding piece you need to remove. There's two push pins and a screw. Your handle goes in here, and there's a screw that you would remove up there. And then you can pull that whole piece down and off, and then up around here there's 5 screw bolts or nuts. They're numbered 10 that you would remove, and that way you can get the plastic cover off on the outside. And then we've got 2 here that hold the camera in itself. So you'll want to undo the electric to the camera. Just squeezing the clip and pulling it undone. And then 2 numbered 10 bolts up here. Alright, so with those bolts removed, we can move back down here. Pull this down. You're going to want to pop this cover off. This cover is held by the 5 nuts that hold it in. And then we've got 2 black push pins right here that sit into there. And then we'll just set that to the side there. Now we undid the bolts that went through here. So now we can just remove the rear backup camera from your vehicle. Then you would get your new one. Just snap it back into place. Then you can take this and you can line it up. And you can snap this back into place too, the little snaps. So that's all snapped in. And now we just got to put all the bolts and the screws back in and put this all back together. Okay, those 2 bolts are tight, and those are the 2 for the camera itself. Make sure you hook the electric back up. Snap that into place, and then we've got you've got the 5 nuts to put back in there. Okay, so with the 5 bolts or nuts in there, the 2 bolts. Make sure that we've done everything that we need to in here before we put the black cover back on, or just the cover plate. So now we'll line this up. And just start pressing it into place. Work our way around. And so we've got that all pressed into place. We got these 2 push pins we need to put back in. Then you need to take your handle piece, press that into place. And there is one screw, goes right in here. And just tighten that up. So that's how you replace, you put that cover back on your 2019 Nissan Rogue, and you'll be able to fix anything inside there that you need to. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.